Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Simply Learn Tech 101. Today we are going to talk about Windows security. I am going to show you some basic configuration that you can apply to your computer so it will be protected. Before we delve into the configuration settings, very important to remember.
Imagine a bad link is like a hidden door. When you click it, you accidentally open that door. A tiny unwanted program called malware then sneaks right into your computer. It's like a little digital bug. Once inside, this malware can cause trouble, like stealing your information or slowing things down. So always be careful where you click.
The most important security control is the user not clicking on any link that he gets through email. Let's delve in to the security controls that we can implement. I'm going to talk about the three most important. Installing the Windows antivirus. From Windows 7, the operation systems, they come with a antivirus built in. You don't need to buy any antivirus software because you have one built in and it's pretty good. Let's see how to enable this feature. Here I can see information about my computer. I'm interested in this information. My operation system is Windows 10 Home Edition. Go and check the antivirus. So I go here to the start, open it, settings, here I can type enter, and I get the virus and threat protection. In this case, I see that the antivirus is already functioning, everything is okay, everything is green, and it tells me here when my computer was last scanned and if threats were found. If the antivirus is not enabled, so you'll see here a button to enable it. Acts as a barrier between your computer and other computers. So all the data that tries to reach from other computers to your computer will be blocked by the firewall. Let me show you how we configure the firewall. Again, I will go here to start, settings, and here I will type in the search bar firewall. We can see here that the firewall is turned on. If your firewall won't be turned on, you will see here a button to enable it. Every software has security bugs. Every software has vulnerabilities that a hacker tries to find and exploit. During the time a software is released, the manufacturer released to the public updates. Those updates, they fix security vulnerabilities in the software. Most of the attacks, what the hacker is doing is trying to analyze a software, or in our case, the operation system, and it tries to find known vulnerabilities. Making sure that the updates are installed, you'll make sure that your computer is less vulnerable. To check that this computer is receiving the latest updates, I will go here to Start, Settings again, and I can type updates, or I can go here, press it, and I can see that my computer is receiving all the updates. The last check was today at around 4 p.m.